Hello everyone, welcome back to Orchid Learning. Today, let us see the sample paper of IEO, that is International English Olympiad for the year 2020-2021 for class 3. Let's begin then. First question, choose the correct option for the picture. You need to choose the correct word for the picture given here. Look at the options: writer, dancer, singer, painter. What do you observe in picture? It is dancer. She is a dancer. Next, choose the odd pair. Mountains, range, lion, pride, stars, crows, bees, swarms. Which is the odd one in this? It is C, stars, crows. Next question. Complete the sentence with the correct spelling of the word. Look at the sentence. A dash makes wooden things. Carpenter, 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 carpenter. I mean, you need to choose the correct spelling of carpenter here. And the correct answer is B. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R is the correct spelling for carpenter. Next question, fill in the blanks. First, there are 30 tables and 30 dash in my classroom. Chair, chairs, chair, a chair, chairs. What is the correct spelling? You need to write the correct spelling and correct word for the chair. There are 30 tables and 30 chairs, C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs in my classroom. Next, there is nothing in the box, dash is empty. It, him, she, I. And of course the answer is A, it. There is nothing in the box. It is empty. Question number 6. Choose the incorrect sentence. Look at the option. I go for a walk. My father's name R. Prasad. My name is Kishan. I am a good student. So which is the incorrect sentence in this? It is B. My father's name R. Prasad. It should not be R, it should be is. My father's name is Prasad. So this is wrong one. Now for question number 7 to 10, it is a reading. Read the letter and answer the following questions. Letter to Rudolph, Santa's reindeer. Dear Rudolph, my name is Mithu. I am a baby parrot. I live with my friend in the great city of Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. Of course, that's in India, but I will bet you knew that. Rudolph, some things that I might like for Christmas this year. 2 bags full of my favorite seed mix, lots of green chilies, and another baby parrot to play with. And please don't forget to put in a good word for my friend with Santa. He is very nice. He doesn't keep me in a cage. Lots of love, Mithu. Now based on this based on this letter, you need to answer the given questions. Look at the questions. Question number 7. Mithu lives in dash. Hyderabad, Mumbai, a cage, sky. Let's see the letter. Mumbai. So the answer is Mumbai. Mithu lives in Mumbai. Mithu asks for dash. 2 things, 3 things, 5 things, 1 thing. The correct answer is B, 3 things. Mithu asks Rudolph some things for Christmas, Holi, Good Friday, Diwali. It is Christmas. Question number 10. Why does Mithu like his honor? He doesn't give him food. He puts Mithu in a cage. He allows Mithu to fly. He's a rude boy. And the answer is, he allows Mithu to fly. Next question, choose the sentences to match the picture. Look at the picture here. Look at the sentence. Number A, the girl is posting a letter. A crow is looking at her. B, the girl is looking at the crow. The crow is posting a letter. C, the girl is buying vegetables. There is a post box. D, the girl is sitting. The crow is flying. So, when you see this picture, which two sentences are correct? It is A. The girl is posting a letter. A crow is looking at her. Next, choose one sentence to complete the dialogue or paragraph. Question number 12. Geeta says, "Hello, I am Geeta. What is your name?" Leena says, what Leena should say here you need to write. Look at the options. Hello, I am Leena. Hello, I am going home. Let us go home. Or D, I am not fine. So what should Leena say here? It is A. Hello, I am Leena. Question number 13. Ram didn't want to swim in the sea. He sat on a beach and watched Rahul and Mahesh. Look at the option A. Mummy gave Ram an ice cream but he didn't want it. B. They played in the water. C. But Paul didn't want to. D. The sun is rising. And the answer is B. They played in the water. Question number 14. Choose the correct word. Suman is sitting dash Ravina. At, beside, besides, into. It is beside. Suman is sitting beside Ravina. And the last question for today. Choose the best reply. Let's go out for dinner. Dash question mark. Shall we? Can we? Must we? Are we? What do you think the correct word? It is shall we. Thank you so much for watching this video, children. To watch such kind of Olympiad videos or other educational videos, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.